So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can make an Iron Man helmet out of EVA foam, and this video is not sponsored from any person, and this is Mark 2 or 3. I have the templates out in the description, so you can go and get them. Just have to. So yeah, you should get those. I will link the video from where I got it, and you have to click on the website. Then you will get lots of things, like then you have to click it another one. There's a little bit more difficulties you might face, so this is that. So these are the templates. All I have. This is the there is a jaw details. This is the face plate here, right one, and the back, and there's another one. I don't know what is this one though. Here's another one, here's another one, here's another one. So start. Now the materials you require is some EVA foam. Now you need 5 mm or any type of you can take 5 mm, 2 mm, not 2 mm, at least 4 mm you should get minimum. 5 mm, 6 mm, 6 mm is maximum, because otherwise it might be fluffy. You would require rubbing alcohol, because if we have to, we will obviously draw the numbers on the EVA foam, and we have to obviously use the rubbing alcohol to remove all the marker stuff. You need scotch tape, scissor, and a cutter, or an X-Acto knife if you have, though, but I can't find mine. So I'm gonna use a cutter to cut all out, those templates out, and then I'm gonna show what you need to do next. So this is the only piece. What I'm doing is that I've taken some scotch tape and glued all the seams, or I don't know what is this, lines things, which has to be done on the EVA foam, because in the EVA foam actually you have to just you have to trace it like this, then you have to glue it. But what I'm doing is actually here, I learned this from Heroes Workshop, thanks to him obviously. I'm actually gluing it, and when I will wanna put it right, when I wanna do it, I wanna actually crush it, and then the heat will, and then I will just mark it using that, and then it's done, basically like that. So I've cut it out all of that. So as I was saying, I cut out all of the templates, and I've traced very few of them. Now I'm gonna trace all of them using the marker, and yeah. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you, that as I just attached those things. Oh, sorry, I attached all of these lines to have this curvature. I also did with this piece, just to the face plate. So yeah, it looks really good though. Only 2 pieces are left. One is right there, you can see that, but one is right there. It's a really hard process, and yeah, it's never cut so many pieces, like 1, 2, I have still, now let me count how many pieces I've cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 pieces. I have never cut it on 18, 19, and here I just actually trimmed a little bit. 20, 21 pieces. I never had to cut out. So that one, 22 pieces. I have never cut out so many pieces, and yeah, so just complete it. So I've cut out all of the pieces, and these are the remaining foam. There's a little bit more as well. So then now the thing is to now we will glue it. I don't know which type of glue you are using, but I'm gonna use hot glue. You can use contact cement as well, but I don't have contact cement, that's why I'm gonna use hot glue. This is what it came out look means. It's not still over yet. There's more pieces to go in the back. So this is what it came, and it looks quite good actually. So obviously this part I need to find something, and I have to again to um, glue these parts from here and here. So let's see. Now I have started gluing. You also start gluing it. So my one has turned out something like this. It looks good, but the thing is actually is I haven't glued these things because now I'm gonna have to edit it a little bit because I have to cut it and I have to trim it. Now you also should do it in a helmet. I don't know where you have got or if you are facing difficulties. So yeah, you should do it. So this is how it looks actually, and wait. Okay, now I might wear it. So yeah, it looks good, and yeah. So now let's do some more things to do in the helmet itself. As I showed you that how does it looks. Now we have to do something. Is that we have to take out these tweezers using a tweezer or your hand, because otherwise when you will paint it, it will like also get painted and you will be like, what? And so you will take these tweezers and now so I might make another one like this is mark I don't know, I wanna paint it now the painting is you should just actually you can choose any two of these. Just this is gray, so you might paint it in metallic color, anything like metallic silver to give it that Mark II effect, but I will go ahead and make it as Mark III because I love Mark III. It was like just so good, like done. It's just like so. Now before that, you have to do the steps, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do next. So it's not done. Now, as I told you before, that you can choose two of options. One is silver, and one is red and dark red and gold. So I'm gonna spray paint it because spray paint is really easy to do. So yeah, first coat I will use is matte black. I wanna show you how I do. Wait, this is not matte black. This is actually glossy black. Sorry. This is how I spray. Just wait. And now it's done. Just one thing I need to do is that to spray paint it much more nicely. Otherwise, Mr. Potter would never like me. And sorry for Iron Man project. Wow. This part of it. And so yeah, it's done. Now next coat is red. Not red, actually gold, because the Mark 3 has got a more darkish, rudish look, but any other Mark doesn't have that. Time for gold. Let's do the gold. On the base. Okay, that's it. Okay. Go a little bit more there. A little bit more there, Betty. Now more. Have a look at chip. Down gold. So I want to end this because I'm running very low, means my phone charge is very less, so I'm gonna paint the rest, which is except the face plate and this jaw thing, red, and then you're done. So thank you guys for watching this video. If it is, please smash that like button and see you guys next time. Goodbye.